Hello, today I want to do an unboxing of this Insta360 motorcycle bundle. So let's have a look what inside of this. Bought it from Insta360 online, and just take a look inside of it. It's hard. Let me get it very carefully. Fuck.危なかった。Carefully. Motorcycle mount bundle. What is this? Oh, it's manual. How to use. It has 3 types maybe. And this one. And then this one for handle mount, this for the back seat mount, this for motorcycle mount. That's all. You can assemble it. Just the small pieces, and this is it. Thank you so much.